So Samsung's coming out with another foldable cell phone? Well, kinda. So on October 11th, they're coming out with a new foldable Z Fold series phone. It's only going to be released in China, nowhere else, which is quite interesting because they're releasing their tri-foldable phone in America. Yes, $3,000. So let's keep the applause to ourselves here. $3,000. So that's obviously going to be a stupid price tag. But they are releasing one on October 11th, which I'm going to assume is like a special edition, but it's not released in South Korea, which is where Samsung's from. This is exclusively in China. So most likely it's just going to be the Z Fold 7, but maybe a little special stuff on it. You can see right here from this image right here, gold around the edges and a gold color scheme. Based on what we understand from this picture, there's going to be a red version and there's going to be a black version. So there's a black version and a red version with gold around the edges. So that's kind of like, again, what it shows off here. So this is not the tri-foldable phone, though. Tri-foldable phone, again, will be released in America, European countries, China, South Korea, etc. This is completely different. Now, at first when I saw this, I thought, oh wait, are they going to do the special edition again? Like they did last year with the Z Fold 6? But based on what I understand, this is not the special edition. This is just the same old Z Fold 7, but a little bit different. And same under the hood stuff. Everything's the same. Re-releasing in China. So, not really anything too crazy special. Comes out October 11th. But we still haven't gotten an official date on when Samsung's releasing their tri-foldable phone. It's supposed to happen this year. But right now it's October. You got November and December. You got 3 months total here. So, I don't know when they're going to release that. They're releasing this, which is kind of like begs the question. And well, you're releasing this, why not just release the other the actual tri-foldable phone? That right now is in the works, I guess. It's also $3,000, so that's not like I think too many people are sitting there going, oh, where's that tri-foldable phone? We want it so bad. When it's $3,000, it kind of makes it really, really hard to get behind the idea. But I don't know. There's going to be someone who picks it up, in all honesty. I'm not. I physically cannot with $3,000. But anyway, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, guys. I'll see you guys next one.